Fifth hotel of the week, Townplace Suites. I am over at SeaWorld, so close, look. Not only can you see the coasters, you can hear the screams when they come down. Look here, Starbucks. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna go into SeaWorld in a little bit and check out their Christmas celebration. Take the shuttle over, pretty close. No need to drive. A good drive, but there's no need to drive when we're this close. Again, Townplace Suites, and there's a Spring Hill Suites right on the other end of that, and that's Holiday Inn. All this right down through here, there are several hotels that partner with SeaWorld. And the best part, it is a length of stay ticket, which means you can go over there and play all you want. And let me show you. Can't get much closer than that. You can literally hear the screaming. This is room 622, Townplace Suites SeaWorld Orlando. And as you see when we come in, we have a nice little kitchen area. So it's set up for those who do want to eat in their room, which is nice. It's a great budget saver. We have a full-size freezer and fridge. Lots of room. So this is great for a long stay or even a short weekend where you want to cook. Microwave, we have a 2-burner stove. All the things you need. And then up here in the cabinet, we'll have our plates and our cups, bowls. It is an old school coffee maker. To dig deep to remember how to make coffee. No, I'm just kidding. A lot of y'all don't use Keurigs, but so many do. But that's good to know for your grocery shopping. Okay, as we come into the room, we have 2 queen beds. And the dresser is underneath the television. And then we have a sofa, which is a sleeper, which means this room will sleep 6 people. Or if you have 3 people, you can all have your own bed. That happens too, right? Or if you co-sleep, or if you've got 2 kids and they want their own bed. It's always nice to have that sofa sleeper. And I can remember when my kids were younger, sometimes they didn't even pull out the bed. They just slept on the couch. In between the beds, we also have drawers for storage. This looks like an old school clock. Yeah, no USB ports. We have 2 outlets right here. Over here at the desk, we have 4 outlets. So I guess this could be more of a table, kitchen table, than a desk. But you could use it as both. There is a little TV tray right here, a little work area if you need to. That light does come on. My view is what? Let's see what my view is. So I'm on the other side. Okay. So that is Aquatica, which is SeaWorld's water park. You can see the coasters for SeaWorld. So we're literally across the street. You can see the top of Atlantis. SeaWorld right So as I spin around, we've got a good bit of room in here, a good bit of walking room. So let's go into the bathroom. There's a separate sink area from the shower and the toilet. It's nice to have. The door does close. There is your shower head. So many people like to know what that's going to be. And then these are the amenities on the wall of body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Just one sink, cleansing bar. But as I said, it's nice to be separate. There's a full-length mirror. You do control your temperature here on the wall, even though the unit is over here. Let's see how deep these drawers are. Oh, these drawers are neat. Oh yeah, that's to my elbow, easy. So they do have a shuttle, even though you can walk. We're gonna walk over and take the shuttle back. And the shuttle is in the morning. It is Route D. They use main gate. You have to make a reservation in the morning. You can see the times. These asterisks right here. This will be for us. You can see these dates because there's a Christmas celebration happening tonight. So I could come back at 1:40 if I want to, but I won't. That's way too late. And then if you're driving, you need to put your parking permit on. Okay, and then your key. Of course, you can use a digital key as well. Housekeeping, breakfast is comped 6:30 to 9, and on weekends 7 to 9:30. So pay attention that on the weekends they do not open until 7. Parking is $15 a night. You can have a pet here. They do charge a pet fee. No smoking, guys. Okay. This is a great little room. Okay. We walk in, we have juice, milk. Looks like we have 3 choices of cereal. Oatmeal. Have your typical waffle maker. Dispenses your batter right there. Looks like there's 4 of them to make miniature Belgian waffles. Some fresh fruit. Nice big seating area. Toast. Well, I guess it's bagels. I don't see any regular bread. So, English muffins, bagels. There's your toasters. Sausage gravy. For biscuits, choices of condiments, potatoes, turkey sausage, links at that, they look a little dry, omelets with peppers, same. Here's the coffee station. So it looks like they have oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, and then your little containers of half and half and Coffee Mate French vanilla. Go out here real quick just to check out the pool. There's a bar. fun little water splash area. It is 0 entry. You can see right there. And as you come out of the breakfast area, there's a little nook right here with some televisions that looks like it's on ESPN and on CNN. And then there are 2 computer workstations if you need to print your boarding pass or if you need to just check some email or something. Of course, most of us now can do that on our phones, but it's nice that it's here. And then over here they have a little pantry area with an ATM. Prices are right here. Good morning. And that does it. That is your Townplace Suites at SeaWorld. Directly across the street from SeaWorld. You can walk, take a shuttle, or you can drive. Their length of stay tickets, which is amazing. You can go over as much as you want to the park. So if you're here for 3 nights, you get 3 days into the parks. And they can actually be for Aquatica and SeaWorld. We can also match you up with Discovery Cove. And a lot of times with those packages, you're gonna get free parking. So if you were to drive over, then you would be able to do that and not have to pay, unless you do the Premier. There is an upcharge for that. With the package, there's also 10% discount on some merch and food, and you would have reserved seating at some of the shows. So I love SeaWorld packages. They're great. So much better to do them instead of to book things separate. We can definitely help you with that. So I hope you enjoy the tour. Again, this is Townplace by Marriott, and we're gonna go over SeaWorld for a little bit.